Pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking on your Lincoln vehicle is a driver assistance feature that scans the roadway ahead and emits an audible and visual warning about potential collisions with vehicles or pedestrians detected in your path. If an impact becomes imminent and you don't take corrective action, the brakes can apply. The system is active at 3 miles per hour and above. Pre-collision assist helps the driver avoid potential collisions by providing 3 types of assistance. Alert flashes a visual warning and sounds a tone. Brake support helps reduce the impact speed by pre-charging the brakes so they can respond faster once you do use the brake pedal. Automatic emergency braking will fully apply the brakes if the system determines that a collision is imminent. Pre-collision assist cannot be turned off, but you can decide the level of sensitivity for the alert setting. To adjust the sensitivity of distance alert, use the touchscreen. Press Features, press Driver Assistance, press Pre-collision Assist, press Alert Sensitivity, select a setting. You can turn off automatic emergency braking if desired using the touchscreen. Press Features, press Driver Assistance, press Pre-collision Assist, press Auto Emergency Braking. Select On or Off. Automatic emergency braking will default to on whenever the vehicle is turned on. You can also turn off the distance indicator, which displays the time gap between your vehicle and vehicles traveling in the same direction ahead of you. Press Features, press Driver Assistance, press Pre-collision Assist, select distance indication on or off. Thank you for watching.